Hey, any plans for the weekend?
Oh, I'm just gonna play it by ear. Might hit up the beach if the weather's nice. You?
Sounds chill. I've got a lot on my plate, but I'm hoping to catch a break. Maybe hang out with some friends and just kick back.
That sounds like a plan. Sometimes you just need to take it easy and unwind.
Exactly. Gotta recharge before Monday rolls around.
Play it by ear to make decisions spontaneously or adjust plans as they come, without having a set schedule. Hit up, a slang term meaning to visit or go to a place, often casually. Got a lot on my plate, to be very busy or have many tasks or responsibilities to deal with. Catch a break, to get a moment of relief or a bit of good luck, especially after a stressful period. Kick back, to relax and take it easy, often after a busy time. Take it easy, to relax, avoid stress and not overwork yourself. Recharge, to rest and regain energy, usually after a busy or tiring time. Roll around is an informal phrase. That means something is approaching or coming again, typically referring to time or events.
Subscribe to my channel.